Oxygen Builder is a popular page builder natively supported in the core Pagerships Pro plugin. With this integration, you'll be able to restrict content at the section or row level. Hi, I'm Sam Darty, and I'll be showing you how you can restrict content with Oxygen Builder and Paid Memberships Pro. To begin, make sure you have both Paid Memberships Pro and Oxygen Builder installed and activated. Our native integration with Oxygen Builder allows you to set conditions within Oxygen templates to reflect throughout all pages and posts that use the template. This is a quick way to add conditional content to your whole site using Oxygen and PM Pro. You can also set conditions at the single page or post level. For this demo, I'm going to be using our Oxygen Builder demo that Kim Coleman previously built for us. I'm going to be showing you how you can set different conditions. This is just an example. I will go into the main page and edit with Oxygen. This is the template setting. So the top menu that we have has our options to go to our homepage, our blog, features, pricing, or log out. The second one we have goes to our blog, directory, and membership, and you can view your account page. So I will select the top header row, and on the left, this is the non-member header. We were able to name this header. There is a little person icon with an X and a check for our condition settings. We will click this and we will hit Set Conditions. Here we can select the restricted content conditions that we want to. For this, we did select Paid Memberships Pro level, non-members. For our second headed row, this is the member header, and we're going to click that condition settings icon again and hit Set Conditions. And this says the Paid Memberships Pro != non-member. Now, I said non-members twice. The double equal sign is to set a specific membership level required for that. The ! is to exclude a specific membership level from viewing the element. So rather than putting in every single membership level that we have double equals to allow them to view it, we're saying as long as they are not a non-member, we are excluding the non-member, they're allowed to see this header bar that we have. So you're able to choose which specific membership levels should be able to see content and which membership levels should be excluded from seeing content. There is also the setting where you can add multiple conditions. When you're within these condition settings, you have the option to add condition. You have the option to remove a condition. You also have the option to make it an and condition type or make it an or condition. You can do this with your templates and pages, posts. This was edited on a template. Now you're ready to start designing and restricting content on your membership site with Oxygen Builder and PM Pro. Happy building! Please like and subscribe for more content like this.